With water marbling, you have an opportunity to make your own tools, and I'm going to show you a really easy DIY way to make them at home. You just need some duct tape, toothpicks, scissors, and cardboard, and a ruler, and you can make some really awesome tools to use at home. So if you're just starting water marbling and you're thinking, I want to make some of my own tools, this is a great place to start. I've got this piece of cardboard. So I am not a perfectionist. I am not worried about perfection when it comes to tools. So I'm just making a bit of a square shape, and then that's what I'm going to use for my tool. Okay, so I'm going to line it up, and I've got every inch, or I could go every 2 inches. There we go. So now I'm going to okay. I can go see the back side as well. Okay. Now, is it going to last forever? No, it's not. Is it going to do what I need it to? On the tray? Yeah. Just like that. Okay, so there's that one. That's 2 inches apart. Okay. So you can label that 2 inch. My 2 inch tool. So I'm going to put this one. So another way to do it is to use these holes, okay? So you could go like that as well. I like the method of putting them on the outside better because I feel like the chances of that coming out is higher. And you can put your tools in. They're really strong. Okay. There's our 1 inch. Okay. So we did the duct tape around the edge and then went into it. Okay. Really good. To bring it up higher. Make sure it's going to be. This is what I mean, probably. You know, this, I got an inch, 2 inches, inch, 2 inches, inch. Okay.